Can you judge a book by its cover? Well, when it comes to packaged foods and other goods, maybe you can. The packaging of a product often reflects the quality of what's inside. When it comes to designing and developing the latest innovative packaging that can withstand today's ever-changing consumer environments, manufacturers need to be able to rely on the production machinery that they use every day. Setting standards for packaging machine safety and quality is the role of the Packaging Machinery Manufacturers Institute, or PMMI. It's a big task for an industry estimated at more than $43 billion and growing. In 2020, PMMI applied for funding through the International Trade Administration's Market Development Cooperator Program. With an award of $300,000, PMMI expanded the adoption of machinery standards and developed a training course to help professionals understand how industry standards affect business and how to integrate them into product manufacturing and process development. The training course has also been adopted for use by educational programs, such as a master's program at the University of Alabama in Birmingham. If your organization has a project idea that will increase U.S. exports, visit trade.gov/MDCP. You may be eligible to compete for up to $300,000 from the International Trade Administration.